Welcome to Exam Sale. In this short guide we will walk through the syllabus for the Dell PowerEdge Professional exam so you know exactly what to study and how much time to allocate. Overview of the exam domains and their weights. Power Protect DD administration is 35%. Power Protect DD integration is 20%. Power Protect DD concepts and features is 15%. Power Protect DD hardware and installation is 15%. And Power Protect DD maintenance and monitoring is 15%. The exam blends conceptual and scenario-based assessments and expects focused hands-on understanding for integration and hardware tasks. Power Protect DD administration carries 35% of the exam and focuses on configuring and managing the Power Protect DD system environment, protocols, and data protection features. This domain is rated medium difficulty with an estimated 14 hours of learning and is assessed with conceptual and scenario-based items. You will learn access control and security, including configuring administrative accounts and roles, password policies, ACLs for mtrees, SNMP and syslog, SSH and certificate-based authentication, and role differentiation for admin, backup operator, and security. You will also cover mtree creation and quotas, NFS and CIFS protocol configuration, DD boost administration including IP aliasing and interface groups, and replication technology with contexts, lag monitoring, and deduplication impacts. Power Protect DD integration makes up 20% of the exam and is the most challenging domain with hard difficulty and an estimated 10 hours of study focused on scenario-based assessment. This domain teaches integration with third-party backup software and cloud environments including Dell Networker, Dell Avamar, Veritas Net Backup OSD with DD Boost, and VM Backup and Replication. With attention to best practices for backup stream concurrency, you will configure VTL services, manage virtual drives and map virtual cartridges to fiber channel, and implement cloud tier by identifying S3, Azure, and ECS cloud units, defining data movement policies, and managing metadata and recall behavior. Power Protect DD concepts and features accounts for 15% of the exam and is rated easy with about 6 hours of learning and mixed conceptual and scenario-based questions. This domain covers core architecture and deduplication technology, including stream-informed segment layout or SISL, inline versus post-process deduplication, variable length segmenting, and global deduplication across multiple streams. You will also learn data invulnerability architecture topics such as end-to-end data verification, fault avoidance and containment, continuous fault detection and healing, the role of NVRAM in data integrity, and how DIA prevents big rot and file system corruption. Power Protect DD hardware and installation is 15% of the exam, medium difficulty, estimated 8 hours, and assessed with hands-on and conceptual items. You will identify hardware components and current DD models such as DD3300, DD6900, DD9400, and DD9900. Understand front and rear panel parts, SSD cache and NVRAM requirements, expansion shelf connectivity like DS60 and ES40, and I/O module options for networking and fiber channel. The installation topics include initial configuration with the configuration wizard, management and data network interface setup, link aggregation and failover with LAP, file system creation and expansion, and registering and activating licenses through ELMS. Power Protect DD maintenance and monitoring takes the final 15% of the exam and is medium difficulty with about 7 hours of study focused on scenario-based tasks. You will monitor system alerts and auto support reports, interpret DD Management Center dashboards, analyze compression ratios and space utilization, and track hardware health through GUI and CLI tools while configuring notification schedules. The maintenance topics include file system cleaning and garbage collection, scheduling and triggering cleaning operations, analyzing space reclamation reports, troubleshooting network and protocol errors, generating support bundles, basic hardware replacement steps, and using commands like system show and VTL show to verify status. That wraps up the syllabus overview and study priorities for the Dell PowerEdge Professional exam. Total estimated study time across all domains is about 45 hours, with the largest focus on administration at 35%, so prioritize hands-on practice there and review integration scenarios carefully.